How's it going, guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you my new project that I'm working on, and yeah, we'll see if I'm gonna be able to get it, but we've got something in the mail, and that is something very interesting with my cryptocurrency journey, where we're trying to make, you know, a passive income, you know, so we can drive some fancy cars, I guess. So that being said, today we are unboxing something very interesting.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm talking about this box right here. Yep. You guys know what it is? Do you guys want to know? You know? This is what it is, a Sensecap. Yeah, buddy. So I got this Sensecap on eBay because right now, if you guys are trying to get miners to mine HNT, it's not working. I mean, if you guys want to wait, you know, a couple months, wait for it. If you guys don't want to wait, you know, pay 3 times the amount and get one of these guys, or a Bobcat miner, basically. Well, I'm shooting it into the dark, and I'm trying to get, you know, the money that I spent recouped back to me when I, you know, install this miner. So hopefully it will work. If it doesn't work, well, you guys are the witnesses, and basically you guys will see that I screw up. Yeah. Well, without further jabba and wabba, basically, let me open it so you guys can see what I've got. So let me get a knife. Let's see if we can be able to do this with one hand, because it's kind of tricky. So, ooh, you guys can see that. Oops, there you go. So I got it, and it's all sealed. Make sure that it's sealed, because if it's not, then basically that means that's used. Now we're gonna open it, and voila! Oh man, look at that treasure. Look at that treasure. It is awesome. I don't know about you guys, but this is like Christmas on a square. So this is your setup. As soon as when I plug it in, guys, and I'll show you in the next video how we're gonna set it up. But this is right now unboxing, so you guys know what to receive. So right here we have the Sensecap, we have our antenna. Let me take the Sensecap out. There we go. As you can see, this little slick machine. Yeah, like it. So this one actually comes with a fan inside. Right there, it has a fan basically. Then comes with the power supply. It's a USB-C. For me, probably I'm gonna change this power supply to a PoE, where it's a power over internet, and I'll make sure this power supply getting a 5 volt. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go, 5 volt. The maximum output is 5 volt, 3 amps. Right now it says 3000 milliamps, which, you know, in amps basically it's 3 amps. I'm gonna get a PoE where we're gonna basically remove that and then just run one cable to the back, where we're gonna have an internet and power right there, and boom, and we'll be all set. There we go, guys. It's super easy, super nice. Let me see if there's anything else on the bottom. Nope, it's nothing else. So okay, the Sensecap, basically you guys can see this is the antenna. So this is where you guys mount your guys' antenna. For me, once again, I'm not gonna use this antenna. I'm gonna upgrade my antenna to a different antenna. You guys are gonna need to watch my next video, where I'm gonna, you know, show you how I'm gonna set it up and how I'm gonna make the entire setup, and how what type of antenna I'm gonna use and where I'm gonna place it. I'm planning to place it in one of my friend's house in the attic. We will see if he agrees. If he agrees, that will be awesome. If he doesn't agree, well, yeah, well, that's not awesome. That being said, I'm thinking you guys can do the same thing. If you guys want to do that, ask you guys as friends, see if they're willing to help you, basically, where you guys can set up these miners in your friends' houses, or in your mom's and your father's houses, you know, basically in different locations where you guys can help the network to grow, and at the same time you guys gonna be able to make HNT. If my friends agrees, I'm willing to pay him $100 per month. If you guys have a different strategy, please let me know, or put it down in the comments how you guys are planning to do that, and how are planning to deploy your miners. If you guys gonna be able, if you guys are planning to do that, I'm thinking to do it. So right now I have my second miner, I already have my first miner in my house. So I don't know if you guys gonna be able to do 2 miners at the same location. I read online that you guys cannot be able to do that, but I saw a guy on YouTube again, you know, YouTube, he did 2 miners in one location, but then after that he got banned. I don't know what's the deal. I'm not planning to play this game. Like I said, you guys can be able, if you guys want to do that, you guys can do only 1 miner per location, because the entire idea, it's, you know, if you guys think about it, all of the hotspots that Xfinity have, basically that's kind of the idea behind HNT, the Helium network, that we're creating these hotspots, and you don't want to, you know, basically put like 2-3 hotspots in the same location, you know. Like if you're in the park, you want to do, you know, 1 hotspot at the beginning of the park, 1 hotspot in the middle of the park, then 1 hotspot on the end of the park, kind of type of a deal. So this is kind of the same way, you know, we're trying to create a big coverage and not just, you know, put them in one location where we're gonna get a cluster of, you know, signals and nothing's gonna work. Everything's gonna get interference, you know, and all that stuff. So that's the entire idea. I think that's about it, guys. I'm gonna see if my friend agrees to put a miner in his attic. If he agrees to put it on his roof, that will be even better. But you know, if he doesn't want an antenna on his roof, I totally agree with him. You know, I'm not gonna be like, come on man, I'm paying you money. No, I'll be happy with an attic as well. At the end of the day, we're trying to make money and not, you know, creating more problems for other people. Because, you know, when you need to troubleshoot, and actually totally forgot to tell you guys that this unit, it's indoor unit only. If you wanted to install it on the roof, it needs to actually extend the antenna with a different cable and, you know, get it on the roof, or create a you know, a waterproof enclosure, and then, you know, put this guy in that box. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I'll be happy with the attic, like I said, because, you know, paid, you know, pretty good amount for this guy. So yeah, on my next video, when I do the setup and everything, I'm gonna tell you how much money I paid for this, you know, my hopes, let's say, how long it's gonna take to return my money. If everything goes by the plan, we'll see. Like I said, everything comes down to my friend. Crossing my fingers. So that's it, guys, for me from this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to do video every week, and every week video basically. And don't forget that if I can do it, you guys can do it. I know you guys are more smarter than me. You guys can see, basically, once again, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Yeah, we'll see, you know, how well that it's gonna end, like I'm keep telling you guys. So don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the channel so you guys can help me out, and you guys can spread the word, so you guys can see if we're gonna succeed or not, basically, to create passive income. That's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.